In an emergency situation, it is easy to become scared and disoriented.
This is a fire alarm. Leave the building.
At Hedengren, we believe that a building should interact with its users and guide them to safety. Introducing the Hedengren Compact 500 Voice Evacuation System. This system features 6 different zones that can be customized based on the speaker's placement and can be expanded as needed. The system can be further extended within a network. Beyond the unit's built-in microphone, additional microphones can be strategically placed throughout the building. The system comes with integrated batteries for reliability during power outages and seamless integration with other Hedengren systems, such as the Prodex Firescape, Neptulux emergency lights, and HHLC intruder alarm. This cutting-edge solution is easy to install and seamlessly integrates all essential components into a unified system. Hedengren, innovative products for a safer world.